Hi, Leanne here, Realty One Group, Inspirada TV. Got a great townhome to show you. Come on in and we'll show you around.
So this one is 1737 square feet. So it's one of these KB townhomes with the front pavered patio. Quiet street. So this was built in 13. Oh, yeah. I like this.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Super wide plank, laminate flooring. So there's a hand, so it kind of gives you. And I have giant hands, so these are like 4
Here's
feet.
a hand.
Oh, and up. Oh, okay. So new baseboard, 6-inch, but check out this light.
Wait till you see the backsplash.
Well, this light is super cool.
Yeah, super cool.
Oh. Okay. Metal. Not in a Ronnie James Dio sort of way. All right. So I love, so with this floor plan, when you get this island, it's so massive.
Yeah.
And plus you get that extra cabinet over there. So it really maximizes the storage. So the cabinets, 42-inch uppers. It looks like they've been freshly painted. But this backsplash is super cool, like Leanne was talking about.
Love the backsplash. It's amazing. Backsplash, yes.
So no refrigerator. But washer and dryer are included.
And the laundry room is down here.
Oh, that's a really pretty color, huh?
Uh-huh, super pretty.
And that's kind of cool. They did these slats.
That's like all the rage right now, the slat
is.
thing on the wall.
But I think they actually nailed slats. It's not like that prefab slat.
Oh, wow. That's
Check
crazy.
out the garage. So a lot of storage, yes? Okay, water softener. Regular water heater, not tankless.
There is a refrigerator in the garage.
Yeah. And a green fridge. But
fancy.
yeah, lots of cabinets, huh? So again, it's this alley setup. Always reminds me of being a kid in Michigan. I grew up in Florida, but when we would go to Michigan to visit with alleyways, I always thought it was the coolest thing.
You still do.
I still think alleys are cool. So it looks like a reverse osmosis as well.
All right.
So probably storage under the stairs. These floors look really nice in person. So you also have your half bath down.
Check out the carpet.
Okay.
Oh, you're going to see the half bath. You didn't do that yet. Love the flooring. It's the same in the laundry room.
Yeah. So cool tile, huh?
Yeah.
Pedestal sink. And then a oval mirror. It's not round, but it's oval. All right, it's getting late. We're kind of hungry.
It's almost 7.
It's almost
and
7.
And it's 108 out. So it's hot.
This is some
too.
wild carpet.
This is awesome carpet. I love this carpet. Definitely.
This is the point where we always ask for you to please like and subscribe to our channel. We are working our tails off out here to bring you guys all of this content. And we've been shooting this Inspirada TV parts landscape-wise because we understand a lot of people are watching tours on their TV. And this just gives you so much real estate. Super mid-century, cool looking.
Oh, that's awesome. I love the mirror too. And it is round.
This one is round. We've got our shapes down tonight.
We've got ovals, we've got circles.
Oh, square windows.
Yeah, and great flooring.
Yeah.
This flooring is upstairs too, which is amazing.
So this is priced at $4 1/4, 1737 square feet, built in 13. So I feel like this bedroom's a little larger than the other one.
Yeah, I think it is actually.
I don't think there's anything to be done at this house.
No, let's move in.
It is.
I love the baseboards. They're the big ones.
All right. So, and then this could be like a whole like desk type setup.
Sure.
Maybe like a IKEA type.
Or a place to keep kids' toys.
Yeah. All right. So primary.
Recessed lighting. Huge plus. Oh, I love that wall. That's the same color, I think, as the
laundry.
Yeah,
cabinets.
I love what they did. That's really pretty.
Okay, so great storage in this closet. Window. I say it every time. I love a window in a closet. And I can keep saying it because you probably haven't watched all 70 videos that we have up of homes in Inspirada. You didn't even say anything.
I didn't. I wanted you to try to find the shape.
Oh, look at this funkiness.
Oh, that's so cool. This is in the primary bath. Look at the mirror.
Oh, man. Okay.
What shape is that?
It's the shape I'm in. So, yeah, normally a lot of times this would be a closet, but you could make it a little makeup area, bronze hardware. Okay, well, this wraps up this one. So Jeff and Leanne Mix, homesininspirada.com. We have every listing from every brokerage on our site, so no need to search multiple sites. We do these video tours all the time. We've got close to 70 video tours up. We have floor plans. If you want to see this home or anything else, just let us know. And again, please like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching.